Welcome back to the Wings on Wheels, and today we have something really special to show you. I have recently ordered a replacement air filter for my GTI and I have been using K&N already, but I wanted to use something else this time. So this package you see is of Pipercross replacement filter. It's a UK company and the best thing about them is you can directly order your filters from their international website. I will put up the link in the description box for you to look at. So many of you would be wondering why am I changing from K&N to Pipercross? Well, one of the reasons are that you don't need a K&N filter in my conditions as it's a cotton gauze material and is of oil based, which will be helpful if there were very dusty and desert kind of conditions, but in city drive like of mine you don't need an air filter like that. So thus Pipercross comes in the scene, which has a better free flow foam filter and is not oil based. The other reason is the authenticity. I couldn't find an official dealer of K&N in India, and when I found a dealer who has K&N air filters, but mind you, he was not an official dealer, he didn't have a specific air filter of GTI as well. As it's a 1.8 liter engine, I had to compromise with a Skoda Superb K&N air filter, which was not a perfect fit. Also, I always had this apprehension about its authenticity, if whether it was genuine or not, although I didn't have any problems with it at all. So Pipercross has made at least that part easy for me and everybody else. You can easily log into their website and order one specifically for your car. Also, the pricing is really good. I bought two Pipercross air filters for 8000 rupees, one for the future sake, just as the same price of one K&N air filter, which I bought earlier. A custom duty of around 900 rupees had to be paid at the time of delivery as well. So guys, as the unboxing has been done, let's just install it and I will give you my honest review about it as well. To install the air filter is really simple procedure in GTI. You have this black air filter box which has screws around it. You just unscrew them and unclip the air filter pipe from it as well. So before anyone asks about why am I not going for the full cold air induction kit which gives noticeable performance gains over the stock replacement filter, well, because for that you need to mod your car to stage 2, which will require a cold induction kit then. Also, as many people think that you still can use cold induction kit without stage 2, let me warn you that installing it will do more harm to your car than giving you performance gains. Because cold air makes your car engine lean, and when too much oxygen will be coming in, the car will push out air rich fuel mixture and will spit out unburned fuel, which is a black smoke coming out from your exhaust. So as you can see, the installation was quite easy and it will be much safer if you let a professional do the work, as putting off or putting on the clip on air filter pipe is really hard sometimes.
One. Two.
Once we are done with it, we will be replacing the cabin air filter, which will be OEM only. It is not necessary to change both at the same time, but I am doing it anyways. One routine that I always follow is that after every 5000 kilometers or whenever I visit a workshop, I always get wheel bolts torqued at a specific torque of 120 Nm, which is specified by Volkswagen only. So guys, by the time I have uploaded this video, I have driven around 500 kilometers after the air filter replacement. So whatever observation and experience I am going to share with you is based on these 500 kilometers. So I definitely feel the difference with I do feel the engine is much lighter and there is an about 5% better response with it as well. I don't have an access to a proper facility with dyno that could have cleared many questions, but yes, you will definitely feel the difference as soon as you put one in your car. One more important thing that I have noticed is the engine oil temperature. Earlier the oil temperature always stabilized around 110 degrees Celsius since I installed K&N, but I don't know how, but after Pipocross the oil temperature keeps running around 100 to 104 Celsius degree. And mind you that when I installed K&N it was winters in Delhi, but right now the summers are going on and the engine oil temperature has gone down, which is a big surprise to me as well. I would definitely recommend using Pipocross for your car over K&N, but hey, do yourself a favor and order from their official website only, as there are many cheap branded unauthentic stock replacement filters which will do much harm to your car than giving proper gains. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and we will be back really soon with another video.